Good day, everyone. We are the team behind PASecure, a CNN-based system that verifies whether senior citizen and PWD IDs are genuine or counterfeit for Doc Garant's Dental Clinic in Pasig City. So, let us introduce ourselves.
I am John Vincent Amadrada with
Patrick Ivan Pilapil and
Athena Eunice Ramos. Before we continue, we would like to highlight our revision to our study title. We added Pasig City to define the study scope and changed processing to verification to better reflect our system's purpose. Our final study title is PASecure, a CNN-based verification system for senior citizen and PWD identification cards for Pasig City for Doc Karen's Dental Clinic. For our background of the study, counterfeit senior citizen and PWD IDs enable unauthorized individuals to claim benefits intended for legitimate cardholders. Currently, verification relies on manual inspection, making high-quality fake IDs difficult to detect. To address this, we developed PASecure, a CNN-based system that analyzes ID images to detect counterfeit cards more accurately and efficiently. Discussing our company background, our study is designed for Doc Karen's Dental Clinic in Pasig City. The clinic serves many senior citizens and PWD patients and currently verifies IDs through manual inspection, which is time-consuming and may result in human error or the acceptance of counterfeit cards. Now, may I call on Mr. Pilapil to discuss the statement of our problem.
thank you, Miss Athena. Now, I'll discuss the statement of the problem. At the clinic, patients often present Pasig City senior citizen or PWD IDs to claim discounts. Right now, staff must check those cards by eye, which is inconsistent and easy to get wrong when a fake ID looks almost real. So our general problem is how can we reliably detect counterfeit Pasig senior citizen and PWD IDs at patient intake? PASecure answers that with three goals: detect, automate, and protect. In short, we want faster, fairer, and more accurate discount verification. Next. To make that concrete, we break the problem into 5 specific questions. First, how RAD helps us develop PASecure for the clinic. Second, what makes our CNN approach unique? Third, how we evaluate it using ISO 25010 for reliability and performance. Fourth, what user guide we provide for staff. Fifth, how CNN improves the accuracy of senior citizen and PWD IDs verifications. These 5 questions guide our design, development, and evaluation. Next. Now I will discuss the scope and limitation of our study. PASecure verifies Pasig City senior citizen IDs from OSCA and PWD IDs from PDAO only. It uses 4 main processes: image processing, MobileNet V2 image classification, OCR validation, and verification score. The system accepts JPEG and PNG images up to 8 megabytes. As for the limitations, PASecure is designed only for the current dental clinic and does not connect to any government database. Its accuracy also depends on the quality of the uploaded image and the availability of real ID samples. That ends the scope and limitations. I will now hand the presentation over to Vincent Andrada for the conceptual framework.
thank you, Mr. Patrick Pilapil. Now I will be discussing the concept of the study. First, we have our requirements. The researchers identified system requirements through consultations with clinic staffs, including functional and non-functional, security features, and workflow requirements of the overall system. Number 2, the design. User design, user interface, and system workflows were created and refined based on user and client feedback to improve usability and functionality. 3. Construction. The system was developed by integrating the MobileNet V2 CNN for ID classification. the OCR module for text extraction, the verification scoring mechanism, and the web-based interface with continuous integration and testing of the system. For cutover, the completed system went full functional and user experience testing to evaluate its overall accuracy, reliability, and usability before deployment. Next, now we head to the system architecture. The work first starts with image capture, where an ID is uploaded and scanned, followed by pre-processing, where the image is resized and normalized for analysis. Next, the image is processed by the CNN and OCR verification module. MobileNet to analyzes the ID's visual features, while the OCR module extracts the ID information. Then the results are combined to generate a verification score, which determines if the ID is genuine or fake. Genuine IDs are approved and recorded, while counterfeit IDs denies the benefit and triggers an alert for manual inspection. Finally, all verification results are stored in centralized database for auditing and system improvements. Next slide. And we have our verification logic. The CNN confidence score and auxiliary results are combined to generate a verification score. If the score is 90% or higher, the ID is classified as genuine. If the ID falls below 90% score, it is flagged as counterfeit, and the staff are notified for manual inspection. Next, we have our system demo. And now we have our system demo. In the home landing page, we have our system name, shortcut buttons, and the PDAO and OSCA logo, representing on what the system is used for. Next, we go to the verify ID. In this section, we have two options. It's either we have to upload or scan through the camera. Now, we can upload our front ID and the back of the ID. And now we verify. In this process, in the simulation, we have our own CNN and OCR reading process, and the results will automatically be given. And now the system then flags the uploaded ID because the confidence threshold of the ID is below 90%, which means it's fake. The user can also view the results why the ID is flagged fake. We can also see the detailed information of the ID, the type of ID, the ID number, the name, the type of nationality, the barangay, and the age of the ID user, and the security features detected. And we also can download the PDF summary report. In here, we can see the summary report of the PDF. And now, we have Ms. Ramos for about the system.
Thank you, Mr. Andrada. Now we are going to talk about our About page. In our About page, it introduces PASecure and explains how our CNN-based system uses image analysis and OCR to verify the IDs. It also highlights key features such as ID verification, OCR extraction, confidence scoring, verification results, and downloadable PDF reports. Following that is our help and support page, where we provide answers to common questions such as photo guidelines, supported file formats, data privacy information, and contact details for users who need assistance. Now may I call on Mr. Pilapil to discuss our systems admin side.
Thank you, Ms. Ramos. Now, I will discuss the admin side. Welcome to the PASecure admin dashboard. This is the clinic side system where administrators monitor verification results, review flag IDs, and generate reports. The dashboard provides an overview of the system, including the total verification success rates, flag IDs, and weekly verification trends. This helps the clinic monitor system performance and workload. Next, this is the main verification page. Every uploaded ID is recorded as verified, flagged, or rejected. The admin can view the uploaded ID, the extracted information from OCR, and the detected ID type. After checking the physical ID, the admin can verify or keep it flagged or reject it. This ensures that suspicious IDs are always reviewed by a staff member. Next, analytics. The analytics page summarizes the system performance, showing total verification results, and OCR extraction statistics. This allows us to evaluate how well PASecure performs. Now for insights, the insights page displays verification trends, plug rates, and distribution of the senior citizen and PWD IDs, helping the clinic monitor verification patterns. Next, for user management, we can add user and edit roles or remove accounts. So only authorized staff access the dashboard. For system logs record logins, status changes, image views, and exports for audit and accountability. In summary, PASecure combines CNN and OCR to verify uploaded IDs, while the admin dashboard allows staff to monitor results, review flag cases, and generate reports. The system assists clinic personnel by making the verification process faster and more reliable. That's all. Thank you.